Alright, what's going on, guys? This is your boy GSDLM here, bringing guys another unboxing to my channel. Now I just got a package in the mail. I opened it up and these are the Nike Supreme NBA shoes collab. This is the Air Force One mids. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys so you guys could take a look at what you get in it. Actually, before I do that, guys, I'm actually just gonna show you guys the box real quick all around it. So you guys can see right here it says Nike, has the swoosh right there. Down here there's a red box logo. Then on the side, let me take this like that. It says size 11 right there, Air Force One mid, 2007 Supreme, or not 2007 but 07, size 11 as you guys can see right there. And yeah, the Nike logo right there, swoosh, and then right here I guess to just pull it out to open, and then both sides it has a box logo. Right here's the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys now. Alright guys, so here are the shoes themselves right here. As you guys can see, it comes in white Nike wrapping paper and it has Supreme on it as well, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this first shoe out, and oh my god, these look much better in person, man. Wow, hold up, let me take these out really quickly. Let me leave this box over here. These look much better in person, wow. Oh my god, you guys can see there. I remember when I made a dropless video saying that I thought they weren't the best looking shoes, but dude, I actually very much like these in person. Has the Chicago Bulls right there, Orlando Magic, the Pacers, the Pistons, 76ers, Cavaliers, Supreme, Knicks, the Celtics, and I'm guessing, I want to see the Lakers, man. I'm from San Diego, and Lakers are like the nearest team. So here's the other shoe. Has the Portland Trail Blazers, Oklahoma City Thunder, the Spurs, the Rockets, Supreme, the Timberwolves. They're the Lakers, man. Oh, that's so nice. They're the Lakers right there. The Warriors are right there. What's back here? The Suns. Wow. Yeah, these shoes are very nice in person, man. Here, let me show them side by side right here. Oh shit, my bad. Yeah, you guys can see right there it says Supreme at the top, Nike Air Force One. Oh my god, these look beautiful, man. These look so nice. And then they have like this right here it says Air Force One 2018 Supreme. That's very cool, man. So yeah, these are like so nice, man. I actually really like these. I remember when I made the dropless video, I said that I was gonna go for them and probably not like them, but you know, they look so much nicer in person. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I'm pretty sure that's it. I'm gonna be reselling this, so I don't think I'm gonna be taking that from the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that inside. It's like over there. It's like a brown thing. I don't know what's in it. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see the tag here, right there. But yeah, very cool shoe, man. Let me show you guys the bottom. Oh, it says Nike right there, I believe. Yeah, Nike right there with the swoosh. I'm guessing on this one as well. Yep, right there. So yeah, these are very, very nice shoes, man. I'm actually hyped that I got these. But yeah, like I said, I am going to be reselling them. So if any of you guys want some, probably I'm gonna try to make like 280, man, honestly. Or the price goes up, maybe 300, man. So yeah, just hit me up. These are gonna be desk stock. I'm not gonna wear them. I'm just gonna keep them up in my closet. Whoever buys it keeps them. Obviously they could resell them for another price, or they could just keep them and wear them. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, please be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.